Hello everyone, we are back with a new exam detail. Today we will talk about National Defence Academy and Indian Naval Academy. So let's start. Some basic information about our army. The Indian Armed Forces are under the management of Ministry of Defence, Government of India. It is the world's second largest military force and the world's largest volunteer army. The headquarters of Indian Armed Forces is in Delhi. The President of India serves as the Superintendent Commander of the Indian Armed Forces, but the actual controls lies in the hand of Prime Minister of India. Establishment year: the Army was established in 1st of April 1895. The Air Force was established on 8th of October 1932 and Indian Navy was established on 2nd of October 1934. About NDA and NA. National Defence Academy is in Khadakwasla, Pune, Maharashtra and established on 7th of December 1954. It occupies an area of approximately 28 kilometers. Whereas Indian Naval Academy is situated in Azimala, Kerala and established on 8th of January 2009 and occupies an area of approximately 10 kilometers. Intake capacity per session in NDA NA is 740 per year and in NA it is 60 per year. Intake process is same for both. First stage is written examination, which is NDA NA examination conducted by UPSC, and second stage is interview, intelligence and performance test. Eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria for NDA NA examination is the nationality should be Indian, age limit is between 16.5 years to 19.5 years. He must be unmarried and male. Physical standard, he should be physically fit. The academic qualification is for Army Wing 12 pass is required and for Air Force Wing 12 pass plus PCM is required, as well as for Naval Wing 12 pass plus PCM is required. Scheme of examination. The conduction mode is offline exam. There are two papers, maths and GAT. General ability test. Duration of the paper, first maths is 2.5 hours and another paper GAT is for 2.5 hours. Timing is 10 to 12:30 p.m. for maths and 2 to 4:30 p.m. for GAT. Number of questions, there are 120 questions in maths and 150 questions in GAT, which are further divided into 50 in English, 50 in general science, 50 in social science. Maximum marks is 900, out of which 300 are from maths and 600 from GAT. Marking scheme. For maths, 2.5 marks will be provided to you for positive answer and 0.83 will be deducted for negative answer. And for GAT, 4 marks is provided to you for positive answer and 1.33 will be deducted for negative answer. The mode of paper is in English for maths and for GAT it is English as well as in Hindi. Syllabus of paper. For mathematics, algebra, matrix, trigonometry, analytical geometry, differential calculus, integral calculus, vector algebra, statistics and probability are there. For English, comprehension, grammar and usage, sentence arrangement and vocabulary are there. For science, physics, chemistry and general science are there. And for social science, history and freedom movements and geography and current affairs are there. Additional information, there are 800 seats in NDA NA. Stage 1 has 400 seats, stage 2 has 400 seats. Reservation policy, there is no reservation policy. Number of attempts, unlimited attempts are there within the age criteria. Number of applicants are approximately between 4 lakh to 4.5 lakhs. There is web link to apply, www.upsc.government.in. Examination fee is 100 rupees for general category and exempted for ST, SC and other reservation categories. Exam date is on 14th of November 2021. SSB interview is conducted by Service Selection Board. There are 13 Service Selection Board in India. 4 are in Indian Army, 4 are in Indian Air Force and 5 are in Indian Navy. There are 2 stages. Stage 1 has Officer Intelligence Rating Test, Picture Perception and Description Test and shortlisting. Stage 2 has interview, group testing officer, psychology test and conference. Duration of SSB interview is 6 days, and final selection is on the basis of combination of stage 1 and stage 2 plus decision of the board. Training and academics at NDA and NA. For Indian Army, it is 3 year, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy, it is 4 year. Degree awarded in Indian Army is BA, BSc, BSc Computer Science, and for Air Force and Navy, BTech degree is provided in Applied Electronics and Communication stream. Degree awarded by JNU, which is affiliated by AICTE, New Delhi. Time spent at NDA is 3 years. Finishing academy for Indian Army is IMA Dehradun. For Indian Air Force is AFA Dundigui, Andhra Pradesh, and for Indian Navy is INA Azimala, Kerala. So now, if you want to prepare for NDA NA examination with Vibrant Academy, we are providing you online plus hybrid program with which duration is 31 weeks. So you can join for NDA and NA preparation, and for more information you can contact on the given numbers. Thank you.